In this video, I will show you how to connect Ecwid to Facebook. So to do this, go and open up Ecwid, and then from the left menu here, you will see Facebook. So specifically, you can actually sell on Facebook using Ecwid, and here's how you can connect it. So you'll see selling on Facebook, and then in order to do this, you need to upgrade to sell on Facebook. Now you'll see for this, you need the venture plan, because in this plan, you can see you get Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So that means that you can sell on those platforms. Now you can either pay annually for 21 euros per month or monthly for 25 euros per month. So just choose whichever one you want and go and enter your details, and you will need to upgrade to one of those plans in order to do that. And then you can go and connect to your Facebook account. Now, not everyone can create a Facebook shop. Here are the requirements. So your business is located in any of these countries. So go and read this and see if you're located in one of those countries. Then you need to have a Facebook business page and Facebook business manager, for both of which you carry an admin role. The product's price is greater than 0 cents. The product requires shipping, so you cannot sell digital products or services on Facebook Shop. And the products comply with the Facebook commerce policies and the guidelines for listing products. Your store's currency is supported by Facebook. Your store domain is verified so that Facebook knows that you are the owner of the website. And if you have a US store, checkout on Facebook and Instagram is enabled in your store. So those are the requirements for having a Facebook shop. If you match all those requirements, then you can actually go and create your Facebook shop and connect it to Ecwid by going to this page. So now you know how to connect Ecwid to Facebook. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next